Hello! In this video we are going to review how to create and delete categories and subcategories. To get started, go to the Window menu and select Categories. To add a category, click the plus button in the bottom left corner. Then select New Category. On the following prompt, key in a name for your new category. I'm going to be using just Sample Category. Then select if you want to make this an expense or an income category, and if it is tax related. Once you've made your selection, click Save. As you can see here now, our new sample category has been added to the list in alphabetical order. Now if you want to add a subcategory, you do it the same way by clicking the plus button in the bottom left corner, but instead select New Subcategory. The rest of the steps from here are very similar to creating a category. You'll want to type in a name. I'll be using Sample Subcategory. Check if it is tax related, and then click Save. Now we can see here our sample subcategory has been added under the parent sample category. Now if you want to delete these, you would click the minus button. Since the sample subcategory was highlighted, it was deleted. Same thing with the sample category, highlight it, and click delete, and that category has been removed from our list.